Hello everyone, Ari here from Sacred Flower Moon. Growing into womanhood and experiencing your first monthly cycle is a natural and a beautiful part of life, a beautiful part of womanhood. We all know that the teen years are very confusing and exciting at the same time, and our young girls should not be confused about this process. We want to have our teen girls have a positive first experience with their menstrual cycle, and for that reason I've created this amazing coming of age kit, and I have put a lot of thought into this because I remember as a teenager not having this information available to me, and also not having the guidance of my mother, who at the time was an amazing mother, but she just didn't know any better. And so I want to change this with my daughter, and I want to also help you change that pattern, that cycle with yours. I've created this amazing coming of age kit, and in this kit I have included a nighttime pack of our Cherish pads, a liner pack. I have a beautiful journal with a pen so that they can keep track of their menstrual cycle. I have some fair trade, good quality chocolate, some hot cocoa. I have this handcrafted, beautiful lavender scented satchel that they can place by their pillow, and it will relax them and allow them to have a nice restful sleep. I have some herbal teas. I have also some wipes. So I want to encourage you, if you have a young girl in your life, if you're a mother, a grandmother, or an aunt, get them one of our kits, because this will be helping them have a good start into this beautiful journey of being a woman. You want to make sure that they have the right attitude towards it, the positive attitude that's going to help them make good choices in the future. And I really encourage you to join me in this movement and educating all the women and the young girls that we know, so that we can change the prevalent attitude that we see in society today, that speaking about menstruation or anything related is a taboo and that should be kept quiet. I think that it's important that we have open discussions with our young girls about this important part of being a woman, so that they can feel empowered and they can understand what their reproductive powers can do. This is really vital information, and I hope that you join me in spreading the word. So reach out to me, click on the link below so that you can find out how you can get your beautiful girl one of these amazing kits. Thank you.